pull my toolbox. Right hand side, you'll see it says pliers. Open it up for you. You got training.
Reads the wrong door for me.
Yeah.
I don't have patience for training anymore.
So Dad's got a new apprentice here in the shop. Our former mayor has decided on a career change in bombardier mechanicking. Daisy, get out of there. This is actually his machine. Dad's still pretty sick here. He's got a bad chest cold, but he figured he better get back to work because otherwise everything's slowing down here. But he's been out of it for, well, we came back on the 27th. Dad showed up at the shop on the 28th, and basically he's been sick ever since. So today is the 4th. So yeah, a week of being sick. He spent about maybe 3 hours here in the last week. Sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
Well, I wanted him to put the wire underneath, eh?
Okay.
And then he kept going the wrong way, so I had to tell him, I don't want you to be any more backwards than what you are.
Oh, okay.
Good thing we're friends yet.
Yeah.
As he grabs a larger hammer.
Yeah.
Found this into you.
Okay. Now this can be removed at any time by just cutting right there.
Yeah, got it.
And then get a wire similar, because you can't turn that,
With that on there.
or you will, but it'll break, eh?
Yeah.
So this should do it.
Okay, what's happened here that you're doing?
Okay, what happened here? I think he got the track caught in the ramp, or else something at the lake,
Okay.
and he broke this.
Yeah.
So I had to spare one of these. This is grade 8 rod, because the original rods were too soft. So now we put a new end on here, weld it, put a jam nut under here, plus wired this so it can't come loose. It can't come loose,
Okay.
then this tracks will stay tight.
Okay.
There's a possibility it could have been put in wrong too, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It's hard to say.
Hard to say.
Okay, well, now we got that done. The rest is up to me here. We put all those tools on the steel bench. I'll look after them from there.
So is this ready to be rolled out again?
No, I got a distributor.
Oh, right. Yeah, the distributor.
But I'll get him a couple of 5-gallon pails, and he can drain this tank. Otherwise, I got carried it.
Okay.
And there's that much
Yeah.
gas in it.
Got it started up in the shop now. I'm gonna do some troubleshooting on the distributor. Customer's our former mayor, and he's returned back to be a town councillor. How long have you owned this one?
We were discussing that earlier, and we 8 to 10 years.
Yeah. And did you always want a bombardier, or did you own one in the past?
I was sitting with your dad and Ron Riccardi one night, and Ron figured we should buy one,
Yeah.
so we did.
Okay. Did you get a good deal back in the day?
Oh yes.
Yeah. What did you do? Dad says that you had to strip this one whole down and then rebuild from scratch. Is that what you did?
He did. It was basically done when I bought it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's good.
So you're enjoying your bombardier then?
Yes.
What do you what do you mostly use it for?
Just going out to the ice shack, a bit of touring around the lake.
Yeah.
Mostly going out to the ice shack. drive out, nice and warm, in the shack, turn the fire on, go back in the bombardier, nice and warm, go back in the shack, nice and warm,
Yeah.
take the bombardier off.
And you don't have to worry about getting stuck out in the ice either.
No.
There you go. So what major concerns have you had over the years with this bombardier?
None really.
No?
Any concerns? Your dad addresses.
Yeah, good.
No. He's got a lifetime warranty, he told me, on all this stuff.
7 years, Dad said this warranty's been going on.
I think it's more than that. I'm doing a compression test. And this is an automatic helper I made.
Oh, okay. He doesn't argue with you.
No. You got 120 pounds of PSI there.
Which is good.
And when you're timing a distributor, you gotta be on number 1.
You taking notes or is it test later?
You got it. I'm just here in case he wants to know something.
So Dad just finished a compression test on
Cylinder 1.
on cylinder.
I'm not really doing a compression test. What I want to have number 1 coming up. So that'll be up to the top. And then where it says number 1 here on the distributor that I marked,
Yeah.
that's where the rotor should be,
Okay.
right there.
Oh, okay.
So we'll see right away. Jesus Christ almighty. Yeah, it's not lined up for number 1.